Ride her till she blows. Yep, that's what we do here at Sawyer Custom and Speed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, throw a comment in there. I'm sure you'll see something in this video that you guys say something about. So what we got here is me running around the track, getting some good angles on a few of the jumps. Finally got the balls to hit the double. And yeah, that worked out pretty, not so well, kind of, sort of, at least I made it. So yeah, wait till you see what the landing's like on that double, and enjoy the video, guys. Holy shit. What the fuck popped? Hose. Whoops.